Okay, hi there. We are going to continue to rule 1, which is the order of the filing units. Previously, we have learned about rule 1A, which is the order of the filing units for personal name. So, the next one, we are going to proceed to the rule 1B, which is for the business name. So, for the business name, you need to index business name as written using letterhead or trademarks as guide. So index as written means you index as what the complete names, what the business complete name is. Okay, so each word in a business name is a separate unit. Okay, if business name contains personal name, index the name in the order it is written. Okay, so for this one, you need to understand about written as index as written. Okay, so next, so I'm going to give you the example. Okay, for this one, the example of the business names are the Tiny Boutique Cafe, the Hotel Pelangi, Colin Partners Attorneys, and also Make Farmhouse. So these four are the what we call the complete business name, or in other words, we call it as a filing segment. So again, the indexing, you need to remember the definition. You need to divide the filing segment into filing units. So we are going to do this right now. Okay, so we are going to divide these 4 filing segment into filing units. Okay. Okay, before I proceed to this one, you can see that Tiny Boutique Cafe, when you divide into the filing unit, Tiny Boutique Cafe, we have 3 filing units. For Hotel Pelangi, we only have 2. Colin Partners Attorneys, we have 3 filing units. And lastly, the Make Farmhouse, we also have 3 filing units. Okay, so for business name, the first name is the key unit, because for business name, we need to index as written. Okay, so the Tiny is the key unit, Hotel, Colin, and Milk. The first unit again is the key unit. So you need to remember that one is for the business name. So if the business name have the personal name, you also need to index as written. So how we are going to arrange this one in a table? Okay, so again, you need to arrange alphabetical order. So this is a Tiny started from the word T, Hotel started from the word H, C is for Colin, and also lastly M. So when we arrange this one to alphabetical order, so the first one is the Colin, started C, second one is Hotel, the third one is Milk, and lastly is Tiny. So we are going to arrange this one in a table. Okay, so this is how your table will look like. So again, for the filing segment, you just need to copy back the exact question, okay, the exact filing segment, and then for the key unit, unit 2, unit 3, you need to type, or you need to write down all in capital letter. Do not need to have bold and underline. So this bold and underline just to make as a guide for you why we started from the Colin first and then Hotel, Milk, and Tiny, because the alphabetic order. Okay, so this is what we call the example for business name. So I'm going to give you this one. This one is another example for the business name. Okay, we have 7 filing segment. Okay, as you can see, all the key units started from the letter S. So you need to arrange according to the alphabetic order. So you can do this by yourself, and you can refer the answer on the next page. Okay, so this is the answer for that one. You can do it by yourself, and then you can refer my notes given to you on the course content as your exercise. Okay, so this is the answer for the business name. As you can see, the key unit is SA, and then SE, we have 2 the same one, which is secure, 2 same key unit. And then we need to take a look on the unit 2. So unit 2 both are started from the letter D. So we need to proceed. The next one is E and I. So E and I, E come first before I. So that's why secure design first before the secure digital networks. Okay, and then the next one is SEST, SES, SET, and then this one is SH, okay, EE and H, and lastly, because this one is SHE, this one is SHER, okay. So this is how you are going to answer this one. Again, for your table, make sure you copy back in the filing segment, you copy back the what we call the filing segment, okay, and then in the key unit, unit 2, key unit, unit 2, unit 3, you need to type in capital letter. Okay, so this is exercise for you for rule 1B. Make sure you do this and you discuss with your tutorial lecturer. Okay, so that's it for exercise for rule 1B business name. See you on the next video.